Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaicans came here with another reaction. Move. Wait. And today, guys, we here with the Vendetta boss. Alkaline. Yeah. Bad bumbuckler artist, talented artist. We're there with Alkaline. You see me? With a song called Mek Tingz Happen. Mek Tingz Happen. So the boss and Mek Tingz Happen, which we know over the years. We're gonna jump in that one and hear what the said. So let's go.
Mek Tingz Happen.
Definitely.
Things happen. Mek Tingz. Don't drop button, ain't no stopping. Mek Tingz happen, yeah. Name brand shopping, champagne popping, now we make things happen. Alright, yo, road get flattened, stink rich rotten, big things happen. Bank book fatten, they follow fashion, we make things happen.
Bank book fatten, they follow fashion. No man say, yo, him not follow no fashion, him do him own thing. And we see Alkaline over the years, we see Alkaline take the lead and do what him need to do. Him not. We see Alkaline go against the grid in so many different ways, and him still a happen, brother. Big up Alkaline, big up the Vendetta fans. We should be proud. You see me? Artist bad dog.
Alright, yo, road get flattened, stink rich rotten, big things happen. Bank book fatten, they follow fashion, we make things happen. Make things happen, yeah. Can't soft like cotton, yeah. Boy, have you girl about time, what a ras, this grace so bizarre.
What?
Fatten, they follow fashion, we make things happen. Make things happen, yeah. Can't soft like cotton, yeah. Boy, have you girl about time, what a ras, this grace so bizarre. The murderer have the plan for her. Leave you know how you no more see tomorrow. Pull strings, the guitar. Style about mine, cigar.
We see Alkaline style, flow, pattern evolve over the years. If you ask me, Alkaline is a complete artist now. Alkaline, we see the growth with Alkaline from day that. We see the growth with him. Alkaline is a complete artist now. Alkaline bad. We see the amazing things that him are doing at the music. We see what him doing at the music. We see, yo, this guy is just different from the rest, bro. You see me? And him like to be different. Him not care, brother. You see me? Mek Tingz up, man.
Style about my cigar. Pussy me a defend when I'm feeling cut all. If I no fuck nothing for call. So man a buy pussy in a bag of ball.
If I no fuck, nobody think for call, man. Say nobody call me if I no fuck, you see me? Hey girl, nobody call me phone if I no long tag me that fucking me say.
Pussy me a defend when I'm feeling cut all.
Pussy a defend.
So man a buy pussy in a bag of ball. P.O.P. Babylon on a city draws. Don't drop button. I buy pussy in a bag of ball. P.O.P. Babylon on a city draws. Don't drop button. Ain't no stopping. Mek things happen, yeah. Name brand shopping. Champagne popping, now we make things happen. Alright, yo, road get flattened. Stink rich rotten, big things happen,
yeah.
Bank book fatten, they follow fashion, we make things happen. Nothing no wicked and we do it different every yardy. I never pre for turn yet, pan a party, man.
Nothing no wicked and we, brother. Nothing no wicked and we.
Bank book fatten, they follow fashion, we make things happen. Nothing no wicked and we do it different every yardy. I never pre for turn yet, pan a party, man. Drive out the Rari.
Never think for turn it pan a party. Never think for sell out one of my friend them. Never, ever. Just drive out the Ferrari. Cause you don't know, so we're different. You see me? Different from every other yardie.
Do it different every yardie. I never pre for turn yet pan a party, man. Drive out the Rari. A scream girl and one we want $100 there we have fun with. Family a family. Them can't overstand me. Trick yourself up quick as the army. Not stop in the body. It's weight with them a carry. I up on the heights, I wanna sorry. Don't drop button, ain't no stopping. Big things happen, yeah. Name brand shopping. Champagne popping, now we make things happen. Alright, yo, road get flattened. Stink rich rotten, big things happen.
It's bad.
They follow fashion, we make things happen.
Yo, big up the Vendetta boss. One thing I want to ask you though, Alka. One thing I want to ask you, G. Why we not get as much videos as we did back then? Like, yeah, we drop a song and we see we see it with boss with boss. You drop the song, make the song go and do it to his numbers, and then you give you videos, a music video. Forget. Yeah, yes, me. So, what is the reason behind that? Why drop them together like when most artists do nowadays? Well, can't ask you that because you don't know. So you're a thing different, my G. You're a thing different. But bad song, solid song, make things happen. Alkaline been and make things happen. We see him sell out him show already again, America. So you're bad, my G. We not have to sing that to you. You know that. You see me? Certain artists alone, like know say yo, listen, I'm bad and me don't need no telling. You see me? Alkaline one of them artists there, you see me? Yeah. But genius not the music game. Genius in the music business itself. Not just the game, not the business itself. Big up Vendetta Boss. Big up Vendetta Boss and the team around the Vendetta Boss. That is very important. Big up the fans them still. They don't know Alkaline out here make things happen. You see it? Anyway, this is Mek Tingz down there. If you enjoyed the one and want to see more from me, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in the next one.